Myself, Dr. K.V. Shivanandmurthy, working as Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Ramnagara. In this video, we'll see how to assemble the screw jack. Okay. In examination, they are going to provide this particular sheet. Okay. In this sheet contains the part list details. The body, it is made of cast iron. It's off sectional front view, nut, sectional front view on top view, and this was a screw spindle. This is screw spindle, and cup, here it's cup, sectional front view on top view. This is a nut, sectional front view on top view. This is Tommy bar, CSK screw, and this is washer. Okay. Now we'll see how to assemble the screw jack component. But before going to assembly, we should create the part drawings. See, in this video I've already created the part drawings. Let's learn how to assemble the components. Okay. Now for that, you can go to assembly environment. Okay. First go to assembly environment. Now I have saved the screw jack part drawings in one particular screw jack folder. Now we'll open that folder through, go to tools, edge bar, and here we can go to that particular folder. That folder is on desktop, screw jack folder. Now here, this is part 1. Okay, this is a body. Part 2, this will be your nut, spindle, cup, washer, screw, and Tommy bar. Okay. Now drag the part 1 here, body component here. Okay. Next, nut. Okay. Now it's not get highlighted. Once it get aligned with this particular thing, it gets highlighted. Okay. Now we can complete this screw jack. See, there are so many assembly comments over here. We will use flash fit to complete this assembly. Okay. Right click, select this particular edge. That edge has to come and align with this one. Okay. Second is spindle. Flash fit, we are already in flash fit. Select this one, axial align with this one, move for some particular distance. Okay, fit. Okay, control I. Next, cup. Okay, select this one, right click, select this edge, just come this. Okay, fit. Now want to work with some zoom. Now washer, for washer also can select this one, right click, select this edge, and it has to come and align with this edge. Okay. Now CSK screw, this edge, line with this one. Next is Tommy bar, control I, isometric view. Okay, go to flash fit, axial align with this one, sorry, undo, port 7, flash fit, axial align with this one. Okay, now control I, fit. Okay, now can you do one thing, can check the views, control F front views, control T top view, and top view is get tilted. Okay, control I isometric view. We do one thing, select this component, right click, show its reference plane. Now align this with this particular plane. Okay, then I will see the front view, control F, control T, control R, control L, and control I. Okay, again right click on this particular port, hide this reference plane, it's not required. Okay, now this completes the assembly of screw jack. Now we'll draw the draw view, section and drawing view, draw the sectional front view, top view, and isometric view. Before that I save the drawings, file, save as, in the screw jack folder, it's on desktop now, go to desktop, screw jack folder, save the screw jack assembly, screw jack assembly. Okay, now before drawing the drawing views, the this assembly drawing should be saved first, that's why I saved. Now go to drawing, create drawing. Okay, next front, customize. Now this is my front view, close. I want to draw front view, top view, left view, and isometric view, finish. Okay, I have shown all the views here. This is front view, top view, left view, and isometric view. Now this is A2 size sheet. Okay, in examination the students are supposed to give printout on A4 size sheet, that's why I changes the sheet setup. I'll take A4 size sheet, go click on the right click on this one, sheet setup, select the background as A4, switch off the background, and by default the size is A4 only. Okay, now fit the drawings to A4 size sheet, select the drawing, here scale value, now it's 0.2, select it as 0.3, enter. Okay, fit. Okay, now drag the isometric view here, drag the top view here, front view, this is left view. Now fit. Now this is A4 size sheet. Okay, this is top view, this is front view, and this is left view. But in examination, in the question paper or whatever the question they ask, you are supposed to draw the view. If they ask for off sectional front view and top view, it should represent the sectional front view and top view and isometric view. Okay, now I will delete this one. Yes, Okay, now from the top view I will generate the sectional front view. Okay, for this one go to cutting plane, select this one, zoom the working area, finish, select this side or this side, select this side, fit. Okay, now sectional view, select this one. Now this is your sectional, full sectional front view, and this is your top view, and this is your left view. Now I want to align, see, because this front view and left view are not in align, you want to align this one. Select this particular left view, right click, and it will create alignment with which one? This one. You select this one, it's get aligned. Now front view, sectional front view, top view and left view. Okay, if left view is not required, I will delete this view, select, delete this view, yes. Okay, now this is full sectional front view and this is your top view. And in section view also you can observe, it shows in section, it shows even section for this bolt, even for Tommy bar doll. Okay, can go to select this one, right click, properties, in the general section you type it as off sectional front. It's not off, full section, full sectional front view. In the display should not show hatching for port 7, port 6, switch off the section. Okay, and update the view. Now it is not shown hatch for this one. Okay, this is full sectional front view. For the top view also, select top view and go for caption. This is top view, enter and click on this one. Sorry, once again I'll repeat this one. Select this one, caption it's top view, enter, then click on this one. Okay, now this is top view, this is full sectional front view, this is isometric view. I'll place isometric view here. Okay, I'll update the view of isometric view. Select this one, this view, update. This is isometric view. Okay, suppose in the examination if they ask for half sectional front view, then you can delete this one, delete, yes, delete the section line also, delete it. Okay, now again go for cutting plane, select the top view, zoom the working area, select, draw right half sectional front view, select this one, fit, either select this side or this side, finish, select this side or this side. Okay, now fit, go to section view, select the section plane, place here. Now this is off sectional front view, this is top view. Again go to properties, go to properties, general display, you can type as off sectional front view, in the display, switch off section for these two, okay, and update. Okay, now this is off sectional front view, this is top view, isometric view. Okay, move a little bit here. Okay, fit, update view. Okay, this is sectional front view, off sectional front view, and this is top view. This is isometric view. Use the text, you can type here, select the font 6, isometric view. Okay, this is off sectional front view, this is top view, this is isometric view. Now prepare the port list here, display the port list, click on port list, select the view, finish. So your port list is ready, but here document number is not it's not required. Delete this one, go to properties, the columns, you can select document number and remove. Then let's click OK. Move a little bit here. Okay, now it's displayed. Port list, body made of stainless steel, nut, bronze, screw spindle, cup, its quantity and all. Okay, now in examination you are supposed to get the printout of this particular sheet. Okay, this is off sectional front view, this is your top view section, this is isometric view and port list. If you want, you can type your ESN here. Don't write your name on this particular sheet, you can type your ESN 1GG18ME043 like that. Okay, now you get the printout of this particular sheet. Okay, also if you want to edit this port list, no, okay, you can right click on this one, sorry, properties. If I want, go to columns. If I don't want this one, title is, I don't want the title, you can remove the title, but you can add the file name already saved there, no, you can go to here. If you want file name without any extension, add this one. If you want to move this one, move up. Okay, okay, now this one, see here, this is items, this is file name with extension. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3. I have saved a file in this fashion, part 1, part 2. If you save files with this is body, nut, spindle, like that, it display like that only. Okay, and its material and its quantity. Okay, no, thank you.